How to calculate the volume of a frustum in 120 seconds. Let's go. This is always a topic which trips a lot of students up, guys, but don't worry, we're going to make it clear. Let's have a look. It asks us to calculate the volume of the following shape, and the shape that we have is a frustum. Now, a frustum is essentially going to be a larger cone with a smaller cone cut off the top of it. So to work out the volume of that shape, what we're going to do is we're going to work out the volume of the bigger cone, and we're going to subtract the volume of our smaller cone. Now, what's that going to give us? We know that the volume of a cone can be calculated using 1 over 3 pi r squared h. That's going to be a formula which is given to us in the exam. So working out the volume of our bigger cone, what's it going to be? We're going to have 1 over 3 times by pi times by the radius of that bigger cone. The radius is going to be 5 times by the height. The height is going to be 10. So we're going to have times by 5 squared times by 10. And we're going to subtract the volume of our smaller cone. Now, for our smaller cone, we're going to have a radius of 4 and a height of 4. Sorry, that was a radius of 2 and a height of 4. That's going to give us 1 over 3 times by pi times by our radius squared, so 2 squared times by 4. Now, simplifying this, what are we going to have? 5 squared, that's going to be 25. 25 times 10, that's going to be 250. And 250 times 1 over 3, we can write that as 250 over 3. So we can simplify the whole of our left-hand side to 250 over 3 pi. If that was a bit confusing, slow it down, pause it, and try and work it out. Now, what about this right-hand side? What are we going to have? We're going to have 1 over 3 times by 2 squared is going to be 4. 4 times 4 is going to be 16. 16 over 3 is going to be the result of doing 16 times 1 over 3. So we're going to have minus 16 over 3 pi. Now, simplifying this further, what are we going to have? 250 over 3 pi minus 16 over 3 pi. 250 takes 16, that's going to be 234. So we can write this as 234 over 3 pi. Simplifying that even further, 234 divided by 3, that, guys, is going to be 78. So our answer is going to be 78 pi, guys. And what about our units? Our units is going to be centimeters cubed, giving us our final answer of 78 pi centimeters cubed.